This is me. I'm trying to find a taxi to get to the shared taxi place to get to Mosul. So, taxi? Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna have to turn this off now because it's getting too crazy. So I am here. I don't know exactly what I'm doing or where I'm going or where I get the taxis from, but I'm gonna go in and ask and see what I can find out. Oh, my freaking everything's so heavy. I think maybe from the other side. I just asked someone, I don't know what kind of terminal this is. She said from the other side there's taxis. Okay. So this looks more like the place I'm looking for. I guess I'm thinking I just walk up here and try and find someone that's going to Mosul. They're all shouting out where they're going to. Mosul. 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 I speak English.
أبو علي إنجليزي لساني؟
Mosul.
كلنا بتشينا.
Hello.
Hello, Mosul.
Mosul.
تعال موصل.
Mosul.
موصل.
Mosul.
الله يكره سفلني انت.
لا والله عادي.
يلا تعال تعال.
Okay.
ايه موصل تعال.
Mosul.
ياسر.
يلا.
Okay, this is.
لا هذا قبك هذا راح. تعال هنا. يلا روح. يلا بارز يلا. احنا بالعربي كمان. ياخذ ايه.
So I'm going to be squeezed in here.
موصل
All right, guys. So I'm going in here to Mosul. And okay, what is your name?
Faris.
Faris. Okay.
Good morning, Faris.
I'm Emma. Okay, Faris is taking me to Mosul. So let's see how this goes. Looks a bit of a tight squeeze in there. Actually, there's 2 people and a kid. Leaving Erbil now. So this is the taxi place where you come to get a shared taxi. We were just making sure that I had my visa and that it wasn't going to be a problem at the checkpoints with me, because a lot of people go from here without the proper Iraq visa, thinking that Kurdistan is completely different. You can go from Iraq proper to Kurdistan and back as long as you have that visa, but you can't go from Kurdistan to Iraq unless you entered Iraq and have that Iraq visa. So that's how it works. I'm in Mosul. Actually, I just made it here, so I just passed through the old town, old city. Yes. Yes. Okay, thank you. All right, they're just trying to figure out where my hotel is. So we just passed through the old part of Mosul. Now we're driving through and now we're going to take me to my hotel.
Yes.
He's from Mosul. I'll see more. We just drove through the old part. Now we're in a new part, and the police crossing was fine. I just had to get out and show my passport and everything. And you live in Mosul? You live? Yes. You're from Mosul? Yes.
Mosul.
Yes.
موصل.
Yes.
جايب عروسة يا بريطانية من عند غيرنا.
I think this taxi driver is the first time he's driving a foreigner. Hi. So it's interesting just to see the first impressions of a place from back by taxi. Hello.
Welcome in the Mosul.
Thank you.
double hello. Double parrot. How do you want to get
Thank you. I love you too. He's so enjoying this. driving around, he's telling me to wait. Everybody's waving. I love you.
I love you.
Where are you from?
UK.
Turkey.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. Thank you. Streets of Mosul.
Murur. Police.
Where? Ah, okay.
Police.
There's a police.
Police.
Hello.
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 How are you?
Good, how are you? Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Good. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
How are you? Thank you.
Hi. I don't think we should have too much further to go.
Police.
Police. Ah, yes, police. Lots of police. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
It's best
Thank
taxi driver. And now I reached my hotel.
Okay.
And now I'm going to pay, and then I'm going to go in, and then I'm going to see what we're going to do. So now I just got to my hotel. It's in the new part of town. I wanted to stay in the one in the old part, but it was recommended that I don't. So I'm staying in the new part. Othman, who is in the Iraqi Travelers Cafe group, there wasn't many contacts in Mosul. So he was here waiting for me. So I'm going down to meet him, get something to eat, because I'm starving. I'm excited to check out this place a bit more. Good morning from Mosul. This is the hotel I'm staying at. I haven't eaten anything since yesterday afternoon. So I'm starving. I'm not sure, I don't know the neighborhood. Other than it's an okay neighborhood. Through the contacts I met, they told me to come this way for food, and I'm going this way for food. It's like, so now I gotta find a restaurant or somewhere to eat. Yes. YouTube.
YouTube?
Yes.
اسم قناة.
Maybe 2 weeks I'll be videoing.
Yes, yes.
You want to be in video?
Thank you very much, and Iraq. Thank you.
I'm looking for a restaurant.
مطعم?
Food up here.
Yes.
Thank you.
This Sierra Mofol مطعم.
Okay. All right. I couldn't find anywhere.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello.
So he just pointed me in the direction of a restaurant. Oh, here's a mall. Is this a restaurant? Food in here? Ah, okay. What are you making? Whoa, very good, very good. Oh no, I know what this is. This is the stuff that they put egg on top. I see. Okay, I'm gonna go in. I found a place to eat, so I'm having some tea, and I just ordered some food. I'm not quite sure what I'm getting. I'm thinking it's the traditional thing with meat and egg on the top, but I'm not sure. It's a mystery. This is the menu. So it's all pizzas. So I'm really confused. I know that they make this traditional thing. It's like a pizza with meat on it, and it has an egg on the top. That's what I'm thinking I ordered, but I'm not 100% sure. But we'll see. At least I've got my chai, which I was desperate for. Of course, when I came up here, of course, it was the usual selfie session, because... Okay. I see everybody in here eating their breakfast, and they're all having the same thing. So, it is the right thing. And I don't like talking with my mouth full. So guys, this is the place I had breakfast. And it was so good. So good. I don't want to walk too far though, because somebody's coming to pick me up in an hour or so. Now that I'm walking past here, look, they have... I didn't notice that before. They have a giant Santa Claus. A giant Santa Claus outside this mall here in Mosul.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is photo.
Of course. He wants me to see his fish. Wow. Mashkoof?
Mashkoof.
Mashkoof. Mashkoof. Alright, I'm going down my road now. I think I saw shops saying hello there to a policeman. So there's loads of policemen in Mosul, obviously, for obvious reasons. But it makes you feel like Baghdad, you know, feels secure. But they're dressed in different uniforms. Some of them are dressed, it's not the army, I thought it was the army, it's just the police all dressed in different kinds of uniforms. They're dressed, some of them are dressed in army uniforms, and some of them are just dressed in police, just regular police stuff. So I was a bit confused because I thought it was the army, but it's not, it's the police. Here's a little shop here, maybe I'll get some things in here. Hello, salam alaikum.
Hello, salam.
Hello. Hello. Shukran. Okay. I got what I needed in the little shop. It's quite deserted round here. Apart from some rebuilding going on over there. As you can see. But just behind me, next to that little shop, there's a police security in his little checkbox. I don't know what you call it. His little box. Just sitting there, but there's a lot of those all over the city. Even in remote areas like this, you'll find police sitting around. Also, I'm surprised how clean the streets are here. Actually, in a lot of Mosul, the streets are so clean. Very clean. But the sheer size of this mosque is gigantic. Look at the size of that thing.